welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together a super simple iron booster green smoothie. Smoothies are such a great way to give healthy nutrients in a fun way to your kids and to your babies. Smoothies can be given starting from 6 months of age, and at every stage it's always fun to make them together with your kids. I still remember my little ones, they love to press the blender bottom and see all the ingredients being mixed in the blender, and now that they're a bit older they like to pick up the ingredients, and we also do the mystery smoothie game where I prepare the smoothie and they need to guess which are the ingredients that I use. Today's recipe is very important if you want to give an iron boost in your baby's diet, because every single ingredient is naturally rich in iron and at the same time rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C boosts the iron absorption in your baby's or kid's body. So let's start together. Super simple. It's a smoothie. You just put all the ingredients together in the blender and you create a nice and smooth consistency. What I added today was mango, kale, then kiwi, frozen banana, green grapes, coconut water, and molasses. Molasses is a very important ingredient for our green iron powdered smoothie because it's very rich in iron. Has a very intense, a particular taste. It really reminds me caramel. So you want to add it a bit and not too much. We're going to blend everything and get this super intense green smoothie that is perfect. You can enjoy the smoothie cold, enjoy the smoothie at room temperature, or even create popsicle from this smoothie. It's totally up to you. The recipe is suitable for babies starting from 6 months of age, and as I said previously, it's very rich in iron. I really hope you really enjoyed this video. Please leave me comments in the area here below. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, it's totally free, and we're going to see each other next week with a new video from me. Ciao ciao!